Under the disco lights, hear the lively beat. A funny little sound makes me move my feet. In a world so serious when things get too tense, here comes that giggle, it's nature's good sense. A whisper in the night, a playful surprise. Queef or Fanny Fart, let's open our eyes. Laughter in the air, it's just human grace. Let's own the moment, wear a smile on our face. Is it nature or bodily art? With every little giggle it plays a fine part. Raise a toast to the sound we can't contain. Queef or Fanny Fart, let's dance in the rain. It's a playful reminder we're all just the same. Let's unleash the laughter and join in the game. Gather round, folks, let the stories begin. Tales of the times when we've all let it in. From the yoga class to the crowded pub scene, you know what I mean. We've all heard that theme. When the tension is real and the giggles appear, life's little surprises bring everyone cheer. With a wink and a nod, we embrace every sound in this glorious dance of life. We're all tightly wound. Is it nature or bodily art? With every little giggle it plays a fine part. Raise a toast to the sound we can't contain. Queef or Fanny Fart, let's dance in the rain. It's a playful reminder we're all just the same. Let's unleash the laughter and join in the game. So here's to the moments that help us to sway, with laughter as our anchor, come what may. In a world so hectic, let's lighten the load. With joy and acceptance, we're all on this road. Let the rhythm take over, let your heart be the guide. Embrace the quirks with arms open wide. From the party to the park, in the sunshine we play. Life's too short to worry, let it slip away. So we dance, we twirl, yes we jump to the beat. With every friendly sound, it's a glorious treat. In the laughter, we find the key to our hearts. So